Yo, what's up everyone and welcome. It's time for a new video about Orderflow, especially footprints and big trades. And First of all, do you need Orderflow to become a profitable trader? No, I don't think so. If you trade the right levels and you have proper risk management and you are in a healthy mental state, then you can trade the touches 100%. And this is the blue line is a daily VWAP. If you trade the touches, you'll be fine. This one is together with this is ES, this is S&P, and as you can see, VWAP is aligning here with put support from option level. So it's a converted level from SPX to ES. So you have double level here, put support, daily VWAP, price comes down, goes up, you can take it. I take them without order flow. I take them. I don't hesitate. Pull the trigger and let it go. Stop below structure. Another one during New York. This is RTH VWAP. So this is regular trading hours. This is VWAP since New York Open. We have a GEX2 level, also converted level from SPX to ES. We tab into RTH VWAP. We bounce from GEX2 level. We go up and then we go up. And again, same story. We bounce from RTH VWAP and GEX2 level. So, do you need order flow? Nah, when I started to be consistent in 2025 last year, I didn't use order flow, and it went very well. But order flow gives me a really big edge, because if I'm only watching candles, I can't see what's happening in the market, and the market moves because of the flow of orders, right? That's just the way it is. So we see nothing here, right? This is the daily VWAP, the put support. I'm going to remove the option based levels for now, because it's a little bit noisy. This is clean. Option levels are very good, and I do scalp them, especially on MNQ. They hit to the tick often, and they are expensive though. To be honest, it's an expensive indicator. So yeah, if you want to check them out, I do have a discount code in my Discord, or maybe I'll drop it below the video. But I'll do another video about option levels. So let's check this, right? Let's talk about big trades, deep trades, bubbles, whatever, footprint charts. Let's go. So here we have price going down, going towards daily VWAP, and we go up again. But by that time you don't know it, right? It's like this. This is what you see. This is everything you see. I know everyone is a big fan of deep charts. I think it's a good platform, but I was in the beginning phase and it was kind of buggy by the time. But yeah, they are pretending like they are the first ones with big trades, but big trades is very old. It's there for a long time already. Ninja Trader, Motive, Wave, Atas, and they're all the same. So if I compare these ones with deep charts, they are 100% equal. They show the same numbers on the same spots. Atas is way cheaper also. So this is separated trades. This literally means that we have 159 sellers here, right? These 159 sellers was literally one order. This is like on one price level, and it dropped there like a bomb in milliseconds. So that's a separated trade. That's a very nice option from Atas. And excuse me for my English, but this is cumulative. That's equal to aggregated. Then we get a little more. I think it's noisy, but now we do have some confirmation, right? Because we go to the daily VWAP, And what do we have? What do we have here? We have a very nice 409 sellers. This is not separated, so this is not at one price level, right? This is on this whole level, so from 06 to 02. So in a 4-point range, someone dropped a lot of orders there. Either they sold into the VWAP, or it can be stop losses from someone who is long here or whatever. So this is very nice confirmation already. You see these sellers, this cluster of sellers in this case. We have the daily VWAP. We come down, we drop the big bubble on there, and if we hold above it, so if we literally we hold above it and we stay there for at least 5, 6, 7, 10 seconds, whatever, yeah, you can get in. You can get in on the touch already, and this is so, yeah, this is such a good way to confirm your entries. This was 2 o'clock my time, so let's check the footprint. Let's check the footprint. This is the one. So what do we have here? And on the footprint, I'm especially looking for outliers. I use the footprint a lot, not always, because I used to like my external monitor, but a lot of the times I'm just chilling somewhere and only with my MacBook, and then I'm not using the external monitor. Well, here it is. So this is the reason we have this 409 contracts plotted. This is not what I'm searching for when trading, when looking at the footprint chart. But the thing with this is every time this happens, so this is someone sold like very aggressive to the downside. Every time this happens, if we start trading above it in this case, because we are looking for a long, we are coming from the upside to VWAP, so we are looking for a long. Every time this happens, this happened last week and the week before. Also, you can check the footprint charts and search for it. You will find it, because it's very you notice it directly. But this is yeah, huge imbalance. It's as much as possible, because we have 16 minus 16 delta, and the total volume is also 16. So this is literally all filled auction, biggest imbalance possible. So we drop down like that on the VWAP, right? And we see this 409. Once we start trading above this and we don't hold here, right? You can see it in the footprint that this is very quick. We were here for a short time. This is not what I'm searching for. So we had this on the VWAP. Once we start trading above it, let's say this is a nice entry, and we see some serious volume here. You can see the D shape. This is the spot to get in my opinion. Is it a very good trade? I probably get in whenever I see this, and we are like here. I get in on 806, put my stop below the structure or below the VWAP. This is not what I'm searching for in the footprint chart. I look for big clusters of negative delta for a long, and big clusters of positive delta for a short. I think we will find that. So this is these are the cumulative big trades. So let's say we go to the next bounce, right? Because this bounce is at, well, this is also okay, but this is better. This is a very nice one for the touch. This is this is textbook, right? The sellers are on the key level, and they are putting in a lot of effort, but they don't have any result. We trade above it and we go long. So let's see what happened here. This is 6 o'clock my time. just some yeah, easy examples, and I'm trying to explain it in as simple as possible, so everyone understands it. So this is an outlier. We see an outlier immediately. This is what I mean with the outlier. The volume is here decent, okay? This is a nice cluster of volume. And we see all the lower volumes here, right? The biggest one is like 1,000. Here we have 2,000, 2,000, 3,000. So this candle has a lot of volume right into the VWAP, right into RTH VWAP. So this is already telling us that there is a lot of interest. Okay, and that's very important, because we can all say it's an area of interest or a point of interest, but now it's interesting, in my opinion. And these are high numbers, right? High negative delta, but once we hit VWAP, we see minus 1200. This is a big outlier. This is a freaking huge outlier. And this is where I go long immediately. So if this happens, and we start, if we would have traded above all of these sellers, I would have longed here already, but we never held above here. You can see it in the volume. This was just pop, 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 and went back down again. So this one developed to the downside, and volume stayed here. You can see it in the D shape. We hit the key level. We literally plotted a 1289 negative delta in here. Once we start trading above it and we hold, I go long immediately. Most of the times with a 3 to 4 point stop loss. Let's see if we have a separated trade here. I don't think so. I always have it on separated. I want to see one big participant throwing with this is for me, this is better. So I have less trades now, also not here, so I have less trades, but I will take the trades anyway, either on a very juicy touch or the footprint will show me what's going on the level. So like this one, we don't see anything here right now, but we see huge cluster with negative delta, huge cluster. We went below it, we have a huge outlier. This is a significant outlier, and we go up. So this is a very good reason to go long. Let's see, how about this one? Let's check this one. This is and you don't need to aim for thousands a day, right, on one account. Just go for multiple accounts, and you can have 20 accounts by Apex already, but you can have like 5 here, 5 there, and wait for one very convincing trade and go for it, and go for like $200 or $300 across all accounts. Copy trade it. That's how I'm doing it lately, and that's way better, way better. This is this one, right? Yeah. So this is also this is a nice example, right? Up here we have huge positive delta, but we failed, and we failed. So we came down to test RTH VWAP. And you can see this candle, it's a lot of negative delta, a lot of red, to keep it simple. Once we hit VWAP, we kind of already shift to more positive delta. And in the bottom, we have, below the VWAP, we have a small outlier, but it is an outlier. If you compare it to the previous candle, I often compare to the previous candle, this is an outlier. This is a nice outlier. So minus 103 below VWAP. Once we go up, I take the entry somewhere here. It all depends on how price is moving. So if we stay here for a long time, I wait. I literally wait. But once we go up, price is moving always like this. Once we go up and we stay at least for a few seconds above this negative cluster, this red cluster. If we stay above it, I'll get in. And yeah, it's such a beautiful way to have way more conviction in trading. If you do this on the VWAPs, because yeah, VWAPs are, in my opinion, everything for me. And if you can confluence the VWAPs either with volume profile, previous day, value area high, value area low, weekly profile levels, or whatever, that's gold, man. If you combine that with order flow, and we have the put support here with the daily VWAP. We have a GAX2 here with a RTH VWAP. Again, the GAX2 with the RTH VWAP. And not even talking about the rest. GAX4 rejected. Nice bounce from GAX4 again to the tick to GAX5. And yeah, it's also this one short from HVE. So just a quick video again about big trades and footprint. I want to keep it simple. I want to explain it as simple as possible, and I think I did it. This is also one I will probably take, and we have minus 276, minus 139. If I see this happening on RTH VWAP, we have a negative delta on the candle also, and we close very bullish. So it got bought up. These trades are nice, man, and I only go for I go for 10 points a day on ES, around 10 points a day, and then I'm done. And I was done today very quickly too. And I was talking with someone from my Discord, and yeah, price was here. This is the 6 o'clock one. This is the 6 o'clock one, and I literally said to him, I was already done trading. It was this one. And I literally said to him, we have way more selling clusters so we have way more negative clusters than positive clusters. So huge selling, huge negative clusters, and we never broke RTH VWAP. And I already said to him, by this time, I think we will go up. They are literally reloading here. They are literally reloading to go long. So all of these negative, especially these ones, right? Huge, significant, very, very, very significant. We go up, could have been a break-even trade already, because we never know this is going to happen with the minus 1200. We never know that. So if I see that, I go long here. Once up around 5-6 points, I go break-even. So this is a break-even trade for me. We go down again. We show exactly the same. So if you take this trade, and either if you take a break-even or you take a loss, you mistimed the trade. The trade is still valid. You see all this negative delta, right? So maybe a stop loss, maybe a break even. We come down again. We show even more volume, so it's even getting better. We hit VWAP minus 1290, minus 1290 on the in negative delta, and we go up and we go up big time. So, and I'm not even looking for a move like that. I need 10 points across all accounts. Let's remove the option levels like that. So this is equal to most of the other platforms. I do think it's noisy, but yeah, you can see, right? Very nice 409 contracts sold into the VWAP. 350 and another one behind it, so a lot of contracts being sold into the VWAP. It can also be someone who is long, and it can also be a stop loss, right? But it's it's very, very, very convincing. Do you need it? If you can read this, if you can understand the big trades, you know what you are looking at, and if you can understand the footprint chart, yeah, then it's a huge improvement and huge edge to your trading. If you only trade touches, you're also good. And you get in here, if you are quick with the hotkeys or whatever, you get in here, stop below the wick and scalp it. Because these VWAPs, they do pay. And either if you trade the touches or you take the higher probability ones with the footprint. But yeah, for me the footprint is telling me a huge story, because even like this, and we have a lot of volume, but once we have a swing low and we see this is way more negative delta than the previous candles, way more. This is a huge cluster, this is also a huge cluster. Yeah, if I see this, if I was not using levels, I have the balls to go long here, because the footprint is literally telling me that there is some kind of absorption, or sellers are stepping out, maybe buyers are getting stopped out or whatever. So it takes the selling pressure away, and because of that the market will go up, at least for a few points. I'm not looking for home runs. So see you in the next video, and if you want to learn more about this, everyone is welcome in the Discord. Yeah, that's it. Today was a great day for me. I copy traded a few accounts, more than a few, but a few accounts, and yeah, I was done very quick, man. Very quick. And because I'm only looking for 10 points, it's also the reason that I'm literally trading stress-free, no pressure on the chest, stress-free, and having a lot of time for other things. Very important. I cannot imagine to watching the chart for 6, 7, 8 hours each day like I did all the previous years. It's worthless. Get in and out, man. Fuck the markets. Get your money and do something else. Okay, see you in the next video. If you want me to talk about something else in the next video, drop a comment, join the Discord, ask me, tell me whatever you want to see. We can go more in depth in the footprints. And maybe a video only about the big trades, go over multiple days, maybe some live examples. Let me know. See you in the next one. Peace.